Well, good morning and welcome to week 3 of Speech 203. This particular unit, 2-week unit, we're working on finding you a good topic to create for your final speech at the end of the class. Over this 2-week period, we're going to help you find a topic. We're going to analyze an existing speech to see what the components of a good speech look like, okay? And then we're going to record, not this week, the following week, a speech that defends your topic choice. This week, you're working on deciding what your topic's going to be. You're going to submit it to peer review. I'll go right here. Not peer review, to discussion topic ideas. Be peer review because you're going to review each other's ideas, okay? Just one response is all you need. Peer review, you need 4. This isn't really peer review. This is simply discussion. We're going to share topic ideas. If you want to respond to more than one, that's great, okay? So what I'd like for you to do is, one thing, you really need to read the textbook chapters, look at the study guides. It's very important. I want you to listen to this speech, okay, because you're going to be writing this week about this speech. This is very, very important that you listen to this, okay. Here's a good article I'd like for you to read. So, how do you stop using filler words? This is a pretty good class. I've looked at some of your speeches already, and I'm pleased. All right, not too many ums. I still kind of fall for it too when I'm not always sure what I want to say. That's why I always talk about practice, repeat your speeches as many times ahead of time, have good note cards, that kind of thing, because that reduces the number of times you need to pause and say is a filler word. It gives you a chance to think for a second before you move on, but it sounds really awful in a speech. Sounds like you don't know what you want to talk about. Okay, so here's an article, how to read a speech, how to give a speech like Barack Obama. Barack Obama, Ronald Reagan, they were excellent speech givers. Okay, they could really get the job done. Martin Luther King, of course, is one of the world's best. All right. So here's the speech you're going to analyze this week to see what the components of a good speech are. Here's the analysis itself, the template that you need to use. I'll show you that in a second. Here's the rubric for how I'm going to grade this. All right. And then see, I just did it. Okay. Here's this article on tips and on speaking. Okay, right there. So you need to, this is where you're going to actually do the work, right on this link right here. And that work is tied to this speech right here. This link right here has the actual speech written out. So let me show you that. Here it is. Okay, right there. Okay, so this is the speech that you're going to analyze. And you can't do this, all right, until you've done all the rest of the reading for this week. It's very, very important that you understand what I'm looking for. It's also important that you look at the rubric. It's also important that you look at the example that I give, not about this speech, but about a different one, all right? So over here on the side, you can just type when you're ready, okay? You can type in there, you can type here. Any place you see a point where you want to do some typing, where you want to say something, okay, you can just go down to it, type there, go down some more, type there. Whatever you see over here that you want to analyze and talk about, please put over here. I like to see a lot of writing over here, but don't repeat what the speech said. Tell me how it works. What is it? What about this particular element here is actually working to make it a good speech? So that said, let's go back to the page. All right, excuse me. So right here, I want you to do topic ideas. Here's some optional resources, 4 steps to finding a speech topic that clicks. I'd like for your topic to be something important to you, something that's important in your life. All right, please don't do popular high school topics. Please don't do tree hugging topics. Please do something that we're all are going to learn something from, something that's researchable, something that has some evidence, something that has some support, a little bit like writing a research paper, something you can actually teach us, not your opinion, not interested in your opinion. Everybody has an opinion, okay? They're not very important, all right, because everybody has one, okay? But try to teach us something, all right? Teach us something about your life, some kind of element in your life, something about your major. That's always good. Really like to hear about that. A lot of you are design engineering majors, that kind of thing. What it is that you'd like to design and why, and what are you doing to learn about it, okay? Now, that's your topic, okay? Next week, when you go to do a speech, you're not doing a speech about your topic, you're doing your topic speech. Right here it says, record a 4-minute speech persuading us that the topic you have selected is the best one for you, okay? So that's next week. I'll go over that one more time. This week, I need topic ideas. Here's a link right here that helps you find good topic ideas. And I also need this annotated speech analysis, which is related. Here's the document you actually work on. You'll work on that, save it, submit it to that link right there, okay? And then I just did, here's the actual speech that you're doing, but it is written out right here too. It helps you both, right? So please read the chapters, look at the study guides. Please pay attention to this class. The textbook's excellent. There's a lot that it'll teach you. I can't sit here and teach you all. That takes too long. I don't want you to have to sit here and listen to my own speech for 40 minutes, okay? 8 or 9 minutes is long enough. So good luck. Clarify. Thursday night, you need to post your topic idea, okay? Say a few things about your topic, why you think it's important, all right? And then you need to respond to at least one peer in the class by Sunday night as to what you think about their topic, okay? Then you also have to turn in this speech analysis right there, annotated speech analysis. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you have questions. You know how to get a hold of me.